right, welcome to Handzee's Pit Barbecue Pit Boys. We're gonna make this a simple recipe.
Slow and slow. Holiday ham roast.
We're doing a collaboration with the rest of the Pit Boys globally, and we're asked to make our favorite burger. So I'm gonna make one that's typically my favorite, but also a little twist on it. We're gonna do a surf and turf burger, and that contains pretty much of Farmer Brown's hen house, and whatever's in the backyard. It may be in the lake too.
Pistachio grilled fish. Pork sandwich. Alligator crawfish.
Every good video starts off with cold beer, right? So let's crack a beer, relax, sit down for this one. If you notice, I'm filming horizontal, not vertical. So vertical means fast, horizontal means chill, relax. So we're gonna make a burger today, and I'm gonna do a surf and turf, my version.
Margarita back ribs. Honey mustard spare ribs.
So I chose store-bought fresh walleye, or we call it pickerel, north of Highway 7, Ontario, Canada, but you call it what you want. It's still walleye, it's just a nickname, so all you people out there, don't get your feathers ruffled. This is Handzee's home-cured bacon, extra thick, hand-cut. This is lean pork, and then we have some 80/20 beef. And of course, we're going to be using our pork privilege on our pork. We're going to throw a little KC in there, and on our fish, we're going to put our seafood rub, and then of course SPG always goes with beef, but you make your own rules. We don't care, right? It's like putting mustard in your beer. I don't know, I've done it once. It was a bet. It was pretty good, to be honest with you. So let's get down to the recipe. We are going to do a beer batter walleye fillet. We're going to do a ground pork, bacon patty, and we're just going to do a straight up beef patty. We're going to put all three together, and we're going to layer some nice cheese on a big bun and call it the day. And it's Sunday, and it's hot, really hot here in southern Ontario, and I'm sure it's hot south of southern Ontario today. But we're making a burger, and I'm in the shade. I'm at the pit. There's no AC, but cold beer never stops flowing. Cheers. Let's get to work. Right upside down. That's it. Now the whole point of this burger that I'm making, you don't want to disrupt the fresh ground, if you will. So I'm going to make 2 portions, if you can see. But this might seem obscure to people, but I'm going to put a little mayonnaise, if you will, only on the top. And we're going to hit it with our SPG, salt, pepper, garlic, in case nobody knew what that was, and amongst other beautiful seasonings. Look at that. That is gorgeous, George. Now we got that. Like I said, it's going to be pretty simple. It's not that hard. Oh, we got to take another sip of our beer. And we're going to literally cut it in half. Nice and easy. Okay? And we're just going to gently form a semicircular burger. We don't want to make it too complicated. We want the fat to do the job when it's cooking on the charcoal. That one looks pretty good. Do another twist and turn. Look at that. Perfect. Like I said, semicircular. It doesn't have to be completely circular. Perfect. Ooh, waste nothing. Get in there. All right. Phase 1 complete. All right. Let's repeat. But we're going to use our pork. And we're going to do exactly the same thing. We've got our patties. We've got our bacon. Now what are we going to do with the bacon? I'm going to show you. So let's take 1, 2 slices of bacon. And we're going to cube it up. And we're going to push it into the pork patty. Okay? Put it there. Or take the knife, make a little hole, shove it in there. Hole. Seen this in a movie once. It didn't go well. I think it was Attack of the Pork Belly Bacons. Oh yeah, this is gonna be gorgeous. I think that's enough. We got enough. The rest we can just put on top. Now the next step, the fried fish. But first we gotta put these on the smoker because the fish is not gonna take that long. We got our beef burgers, SPG on. We have our pork bacon burger with our poultry perfection. And we're gonna let these guys do their job. All right, so we have our beautiful filet, our walleye filet. We're gonna use some duck fat to cook it in, and we're gonna season with our seafood seasoning, which is delicious. I put it on everything, to be honest with you. If it's got a protein or a salad, this is actually really good. It's one of my favorite, which is specifically made for seafood. But mind you, like you can break every rule in the book. Like, is there actually a book? Like, I don't know. I've never seen one. Never been in jail yet. But anyway, anyways, yeah. So yeah.
You better back off the bread.
Good stuff. Okay, let's fillet this puppy here, okay?
Yeah, you're the biggest gun I met.
We're gonna skin it. It's already been filleted, so yeah. Thin bones are out too, you can see, which is beautiful. Good job to the fishmonger. There you go. You can make some walleye skin boots with it later. Oh, feed the crows. I hear ya. Calm down. We have the loin, we have the belly. I want to try and keep it together, especially we'll do the tail, the shirt. That's easy. Let's cut it this way. And then we have basically a couple of strips. Because if you imagine, you can put it on the burger like that, right? I think that'll be good. That's what we're doing, and that's... Okay, let's season this. And look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Every seasoning known to mankind is in there. And if it's not, if we don't have it, they don't make it, basically. Okay, that's those two. Let's get the rest.
Got my natural case and got the hogs on the run.
Perfect. That's all we need. Okay, now let's show you the batter. The batter's pretty simple. It's about half a cup of flour and a teaspoon of baking powder or sodium bicarbonate, and we're gonna put our seasoning in there, and we're gonna jam a little KC. It gives a nice color and sweetness. Okay, let's fire up the skillet. Do that. Perfect. And we're gonna put our fish in here, pre-flour it, put it back on the board. Then we're gonna add my favorite. Yeah. Where is this thing? Beer. Yeah.
I don't care. Gonna butter some biscuits. Grab me up there. Oh.
Beautiful. Now we have to season the other side. Remember I said that? I did say that. A little more SPG. Our pork privilege. Ooh, that's fine. We'll let these cook down. And then we're gonna hit it with our Burgers Blend barbecue sauce. First place overall. National Barbecue Association. Can you believe it? Well, I sure can, because you gotta try it. It's unbelievable. Tastes amazing. All right, let's close this lid. If you're looking, it ain't cooking.
I got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna grab me some thighs at the chicken.
Okay, we're back. We had to change the pot out. The one I had was not big enough for what I wanted to do. Let's get this beautiful walleye. Perfect. Let's check our temp. Yeah, we're good. We're at 320. You don't need to kill it. Why does everybody do that? Let's get our tail in. We'll be back.
Sure, bro.
Perfect. Look at that. Beautiful. Now, wouldn't be a burger without cheese. We have some old cheddar.
Sure, bro.
We're going to take our bacon pieces, put a couple on each. Who needs tomatoes when you got bacon, right? Exactly. That's what I thought. Okay, we got a couple of sesame seed Kaisers here. Or give them a little toast. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, let's put these together. We're going to take some of our Brewers Blend barbecue sauce just on the top of the bun. We're going to make a cheddar tartar sauce. A little mayo. Gotta make sure you get it all over your beard when you eat it, right? You don't want to... This ain't no Rotten Ronnie's burger. We'll relish. That'll do the trick. And these flies can go away right now. Shoo fly, don't bother me. Okay, let's get the burgers. Okay. We'll start with the pork. Go away, fly. Let's turn this around. Now take our fish. Ridiculous, right? Yeah, that's how we roll around here. But we're not done yet. They say why, and I say why not? Why not? Okay, that might be just silly. Based on construction protocol. Yeah, it might be not proper, but here we go. Put that on like that. Come on, Handzee, keep it together. Keep it together. Keep it together. They said what? I say why. That is a burger to be reckoned with. Come on, look at that. That is insane. Now you get to watch me put that in my yap. Oh, here we go. Now this is the part everybody, including myself, has been waiting for. This is your surf and turf burger. This is proper. We have a beef patty. We have some fresh walleye fillet, beer battered, and some pork. And we used everything in the kitchen sink to make this. We're going to give a little squish, because we have to. Come on, squish, to get in my yap. Here we go. Okay. Handzee's Pit. I apologize for eating from you, but this is pitmaster privilege. I'm eating my hair. Look at that. Come on. That is just gorgeous, George. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out pitboys.com. Oh, look at that. Look at the smoke ring. That's insane. That fish. I need to have a nap.